Have you ever wondered how to make hygiene fun for your kids? It sounds like a challenge, doesn't it? Well, it certainly is, but it's also an essential part of raising healthy children. Hygiene is the cornerstone of health. It helps keep illnesses at bay and promotes a sense of well-being. But for many parents, getting their children to follow hygiene routines can be a struggle. The pleas, the negotiations, the occasional standoffs, they're all part of the daily routine. It can seem like a never-ending battle, but what if there was a different way? Imagine turning the tables on this everyday struggle. Instead of it being a chore, what if hygiene could be an adventure? A game, a song, or even a dance? Now that's a fun twist. How about a toothbrushing race with their favorite toy, or a hand-washing song that ends with the cleanest hands in the house? The possibilities are endless. It's all about turning the ordinary into extraordinary and the mundane into fun. Now picture this. A child who used to run at the sight of a toothbrush now can't wait for their nightly race against time, or the once dreaded bath time has turned into a fun-filled bubble party. Yes, it's possible. And yes, it's as fun as it sounds, but it's not just about the giggles and the games. Making hygiene fun for kids has far-reaching benefits. It paves the way for healthier habits that stick. It turns a potential power struggle into a playful routine, and it sets the foundation for a healthier lifestyle. So here's an idea. The next time you find yourself in a tussle over the toothbrush or a standoff at the sink, remember, it doesn't have to be a battle. It can be a game, a song, or a dance. A moment of fun that leads to a lifetime of good habits. Now, it's your turn. Share your creative hygiene routines in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories. And don't forget to subscribe for more funny and creative parenting tips. Together, we can make hygiene fun for kids, one bubble at a time.